Hello everyone! We love making burritos at home, and today I will share my slow cooker pulled pork sirloin recipe. As you can see, it's perfectly flaky, tender and juicy, and I promise you, very delicious too. We buy the pack of 4 pork sirloin tip roast from Costco, and the same recipe would work should you wish to cook 2 of them at the same time, and I have listed the ingredients in the description box below the video. First, I will sear the pork sirloin on all sides. Start by preheating 4 or 5 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan under medium heat. Once the oil has preheated, carefully place the pork sirloin in the pan and generously salt it with kosher salt. After 2 minutes, carefully flip it over and sear the bottom side for another 2 minutes. Then, using tongs, carefully rotate the meat to add some browning to any sides that did not sear. When done, place the pork sirloin in a slow cooker, pour the oil from the pan, add 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter of a cup of soy sauce, 4 or 5 bay leaves, 1 small onion sliced in half, and about 8 cups of room temperature water or until the meat is covered. Then cover the crockpot with the lid, set it to the low setting and set a timer for 10 hours. At about hour 8 or 9, flip the pork sirloin over, and at the end of the 10 hours, you've got yourself this wonderful, flaky, juicy and tender pulled pork sirloin. And you can use the meat not just for burritos, but also for sandwiches, wraps and burgers. It is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this easy and tasty slow cooker pulled pork sirloin recipe, and if so, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.